Grandma's hands clapped in church on Sunday morning. Grandma's hands played a tambourine so well. Grandma's hands used to issue out a warning. She'd say, "Billy, don't you run that fast. Might fall on a piece of glass. Might be snakes there in that grass." Grandma's hands. Grandma's hands soothed the local unwed mother. Grandma's hands used to ache sometimes and swell. Grandma's hands used to lift her face and tell her, she'd say, "Baby, Grandma understands that you really love that man. Put yourself in Jesus' hands." Grandma's hands. Grandma's hands used to hand me a piece of candy. Grandma's hands picked me up each time I fell. Grandma's hands, boy, they really came in handy. She'd say, "Maddie, don't you hit that boy. What you want to spank him for? He didn't drop no apricot, but I don't have Grandma anymore. If I get to heaven, I'll look for Grandma's hands." Grandma's hands.